dragon. It's a toka.
뭐예요?
Talaga po? Yes, don't ask the universe those questions. Blood type. Ano? Blood type.
Royal blood! Royal blood!
Reveal.
Hindi royal blood na.
Ito na, MBTI. Alam niyo ba? Alam niyo?
What is MBTI?
MBTI is ISFP. Ano ba tawag dyan? Di ba may mga ibig sabihin yan eh.
Na naintindihan niya.
Okay, wala nang nakakaalam. Height.
6 something.
Height. Isa na natin matangkad siya. Height is in centimeters.
Oh!
190.2. No, he's really, wow. Nakita niyo mo yung difference namin, di ba? Ang tangkad talaga niya. And of course, hobbies. Ano mga gusto niya gawin? Yes, playing the piano, as you have seen earlier. Basketball, talaga naman ang height, pwedeng-pwede. Sa Alaska, Beautiful, Canada. Swimming. Ay, alam niyo ba yun? Swimming, we love it. Okay, so now we will find out more about each Hemin. Let's proceed to our first profile, or yes, first question. My favorite, his favorite animal is, would you guys know? Ha? Ano? Favorite animal is?
Dog!
Puppy!
Puppy!
That's correct, it's puppy. And of course, what else?
Oh my God! Dami sa dito! Oh my! Happy
Kaya
lang!
talaga nagpahulan kayo dyan, ha?
Naging happy about town!
안 큐트? 안 큐트?
Di ba? Well na well kayo, no?
Yes!
Okay.
You're the
Alright.
cutest!
Now, Ichemin, you have 2 dogs. 2 He has 2 puppies named Pal and Fiol. Kung meron kang ipagmamalaki tungkol sa mga alaga mo, ano yun?
사진을 보시다시피 되게 표정도 다양하고 표정처럼 애교가 많아가지고 어떤 사람을 봐도 저렇게 이렇게 배를 까고 애교를 부립니다.
Well, as you can see on the photos, my 2 puppies, they're filled with a lot of emotional expressions and marami silang egyo. They're very sweet puppies. So whoever they meet, they suddenly just turn around and show their tummies.
Oh, sino magpapakita ng kami dyan?
Oh my God! May mga nagtas talaga!
Kayo kanina, ha?
I never showed my family, but I will show you!
Do you have any animals that you're scared of?
Uy, parehas kayo, snake! May kapatid mo!
You know, in the Philippines, we have many snakes.
Oh, I hate snake!
Also crocodiles. Alright. Next profile. When I open my closet, I have black clothes the most.
Black!
Right. Sino makaka-guess?
Black! 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 Lagi siya
Alright. And the answer is, ay, nahawakan yung palit siya. The correct answer, yeah, I know. Queenie. And the correct answer is,
Black?
reveal.
Oh!
Black or white clothes the most? Meron bang dahilan kung bakit marami kang white or black clothes?
저는 화려한 것보다 되게 그렇게 흰색, 뭐 검정색, 그리고 원색 계열을 좋아하는 것 같아요. 파란색도 좋아하고 네, simple is best죠.
Well, more than like something very fancy in colors, I really prefer like, you know, simple is the best. The vivid colors like white or something like even blue. I like those kind of colors.
Bagay na bagay, talagang lakas mukha ang hair. Diba? Parang talagang perfect sa kanya yung mga ganyang atake white. And I've heard, so you're into like simplicity and everything, but how many clothes do you actually own? Do you actually have at home?
조그마한 옷장이 하나 있고요.
Well, I have a very small closet.
1분이면 제 옷을 다 셀 수 있을 것 같아요.
And siguro in a minute, I'm able to count how many clothes I actually have.
Oh! Ano? Titignan niya yung closet niya?
저희 집에 오면 볼 수 있다.
Well, come to my house, I'll show you.
We will go to your house and then show your stone. But how long does it take for you usually to get ready to go out?
10 minutes?
Oh! Sana all. Okay, it's quite fast, right? Alright, thank you so much for answering those questions. Now let's proceed to our next profile. As I get home from a schedule, I blank immediately. Ay! And the correct answer is... He takes a shower immediately. Medyo kinakabahan ako sa mga tanong. Can you tell us your shower routine?
So my shower routine.
일단 먼저 옷을 벗고
Well, first I remove my clothes.
컨디셔너를 한다고 해야 되나? 네.
And I put on my conditioner.
그러고서는 닦고 머리 샴푸하고
And then do my shampoo
그리고 양치하고
and brush my teeth.
Shower?
네. 머리에 샴푸를 해놓고 양치를 해요.
So I actually put on my shampoo first and then I do my toothbrush.
네. 그러면 좋다고 해가지고
Well, that's what I heard na maganda daw na iwan yung shampoo, that's why.
여러분도 그렇게 하세요.
So you guys can actually do that too, try.
그러고 샴푸 이제 닦고
And then I rinse off my shampoo.
바디워시하고 때때로 스크럽하고
Or sometimes scrubs too.
그리고서는 이제 마지막으로 세수를 하죠.
And then lastly, I wash my face.
그게 저희 샤워 루틴입니다.
So that's basically my shower routine.
Natalahimik kayo. Diba? Baka nang iisip nyo kayo Kilala mo kayo. Alright. So, but when you're showering and doing all of these things, do you also listen to certain music or do you have a playlist?
저는 발라드를 좋아해가지고요.
You know, I really love ballad songs.
보통 이제 발라드를 많이 듣는 것 같아요. 폭군의 셰프 할 때는 되게 폭군의 셰프 OST를 다 들었던 것 같아요.
So I really listen to a lot of ballad songs, but while I was filming the Bon Appetit, Your Majesty, I did listen to a lot of its OSTs.
Okay. Now let's proceed to our next question. Profile, sorry. My routine for maintaining perfect abs is blank. 30 minutes of ab workout and diet.
6 days? 일주일에 6번 정도.
Maybe 6 days out in a week.
Isang araw lang.
Baka yun, ilang araw. Yun eh. Now, during the interview with the director of Bon Appetit, Your Majesty, na-mention niya na sobrang shock niya kung gaano mo kabilis magpa-abs. Anong sikreto mo sa mabilis na abs?
Patingin!
사실 저는 복근이 없어본 적이 없어요.
Well, honestly, I've never not had abs.
Abs? Nakakalimutan ang aircon dito, NFT. Ano tumumin eh? Pakilakasan mo yung aircon. Woo! So, the question is, are your abs still there right now? Yes? Okay.
어제도 했죠.
Alright.
Even yesterday, they were fine.
We will find out kung mabibiyayaan tayo ni Lord mamaya. Ay, hindi ko pa sure eh. Alright, thank you so much for answering those questions. Now let's proceed to our next profile. The first thing that came to mind when I arrived in Manila was... Ano ba nalagay niyo?
일단은 명순위로 일단 우리 마닐라에 있는 우리 챔프분들이죠.
Well, for my priority, it was really basically my Manila champs that I thought of.
But...
하지만 저는 왜냐하면 지금 제가 사는 서울은 지금 윈터예요. 겨울이에요.
Well, because in Seoul, it's actually winter ngayon.
그래가지고 여기 왔을 때 우와 덥다.
So when the moment I arrived, I suddenly said, wow, it's super hot.
You know why it's hot?
Because you're here. Because
여기
you're
계신
here.
챔프분들 때문에.
Well, because of the champs.
No, actually, because you arrived here in Manila. Tama, tama. Tama. So how did you feel when you heard that Manila was included in your tour?
일단 너무 설렜고요.
Well, I was very thrilled.
되게 이렇게 되게 반응도 뜨거운 그런 곳이다라고 주변에서 말해줬는데
And a lot of those around me have been telling me that, you know, when you go to Manila, their responses are very warm and hot.
정말 아까도 말했듯이 기대 이상으로
But basically, it's really beyond my expectations.
진짜 멋진 것 같아요.
I think you guys are really amazing.
그리고 이렇게 가까이서 보면 조금씩 이렇게 자세히 들여다보면
And when I really look closely into all of you,
다들 웃는 모습도 정말 예쁜 것 같아요.
I think you really have a very beautiful smile.
Yes, actually, the Philippines is one of the best stops when there are concerts and fan meetings because the Manila audience is really the best.
정말
Real.
와.
Kaya hindi natin pwedeng alam niyo yun. Sirain ang imahe ng mga Pilipino. Kailangan na talagang tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagtitili at pagsisigaw. Huwag mo na ang i-translate, Ara. Alright, let's proceed to our next profile. The part of my face I like the most is... What do you think?
Eyes and lips.
Lips? Ano sabi ba?
Eyes
Lips?
and lips.
My eyes? Eyes. Alright. What do you think is the charming point of your eyes?
우리나라에서 가장 마음에 드는 부분 되게 웃을 때는 개구쟁이 같은 눈이었다가 무서울 땐 되게 무서운 눈이 될 수 있고 또 사랑스럽게 바라볼 땐 또 사랑스럽게 바라볼 수 있는 그런 눈이 될 수 있는 게 매력이지 않을까.
So the charming point of my eyes is when I want to be funny, I can really show you like the giggly side of me. When I want to look scary, I can give you a really scary look. And when I want to give you the lovely look, I can make the sweetest face.
Nakaka-fall talaga. Kaya talaga namang check-in to you. Talagang napo-fall tayo. Now, because of that, could you send a message to Manila Champs just with your eyes? And 3, 2, cue. Alright! Did you guys like that? Marami pa yan. Umpisa pa lang tayo. Hanggang dulo talaga naman. Pakikiligin tayo nito. Let's proceed to our next profile. Today is the fan meeting day. What was the very first thing you did when you woke up?
너무 당연하죠.
Oh, you ate
It's something-
breakfast.
It's something very obvious, diba?
What did you have for breakfast?
Pancake,
Pancake.
bread and eggs, 파인애플. 뭐 그 정도 먹었던 것 같아요.
I think those are what I had for breakfast.
And you still have abs?
당연하죠.
Hindi talaga fair si Lord minsan. May mga favorites talaga siya. And of course, our last profile. The role I want to show Manila Champs as an actor is... Ano sa palagay niya? Ay, sinagot ko dahil. Oh! A lawyer or a professor. So dahil gusto niyang makita niyo siya as an actor na nag-play bilang lawyer or professor, gusto niyo ba ng preview? Alright! Para mag-transform into a professor or lawyer, ang paborito, i-challenge, shall we put these props on? Handa na ba kayo? Ilabas ang mga cellphone.
안경과
So there's glasses,
책과 볼펜
book, and a pen.
있는데요. 한번 안경을 써볼게요. 그러면.
So let me try on the glasses.
Guwapo pa rin. Ano ba yan?
책도 들어있어요.
And I'll also carry on the book.
Alright. Wow! Wow! Professor Lee Chanin, please roll call once.
알겠습니다. 그러면은 제가 가운데 챔프 하면은 소리 지르고 왼쪽 챔프 하면 소리 지르고 오른쪽 챔프 하면은 2층까지 다 소리 지르는 거예요.
Alright, so if I call on to the champs, if I say to the right on my champs, you have to scream the center and the left accordingly, alright? Kaya ba?
자, 출석 부르겠습니다.
So let me call on